Introducing WooBloo SMASH. It's the crystal clear smart projector with a built-in voice assistant. Now, watching your favorite sports, shows, and movies has never been easier or more fun. WooBloo SMASH brings you a host of features which ensures all your home entertainment needs are taken care of. SMASH brings you 3 hours of video playback per charge, 300 anti-lumens HD LED projector, autofocus and auto keystone corrector, USB port, 30 hours battery for music playback, far-field Alexa built-in display. SMASH gives you so many ways to watch. It works out of the box with 30-plus built-in apps, including Netflix, Prime, and Hulu. Watch your favorite movie files from a USB stick or hard drive. Connect your laptop through the HDMI port, or use your phone's screen sharing setting. Whether it's the big match or the new Hollywood blockbuster, you've got the best seat in the house. The creators of SMASH are tech fanatics who worked for over a year and a half to bring you something truly special. Now, you don't need an endless collection of gadgets to enjoy watching your favorite big screen content. All you need is this stylish little device. Oh, and did I tell you how good it looks? When your friends see your WooBloo SMASH, they won't be able to keep their eyes off it. Get your hands on WooBloo SMASH today.
Dear Indiegogo backers, we at WooBloo Inc. are committed to creating a new generation of connected devices and products by leveraging the latest in technology. We have created a fully working prototype of the device and would now like to request your backing and support in order to complete the tooling and certification of the product. Your pledge would help us bring SMASH, the world's most convenient smart projector, to your households in the next few months, as we are all set to complete the last leg of our journey in creating this amazing product. We are headquartered in North Carolina, USA, and have partnered with reputed manufacturers who have an experience of creating quality products for brands such as Harman Kardon, JBL, and Philips, to name a few. Please back us, and we promise to deliver the SMASH to you.